Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. My reading and homily today are taken from the book of Night to Christ. Chapter Unity is a council of superheroes. In a large house, there are articles not only of gold and silver, but also of wood and clay. Some are for the noble purposes, and some for ignoble. If a man cleanses himself from the latter, he will be an instrument for the noble purposes, made holy, useful to the master, and prepared to do any good work. Flee the evil desire of youth and pursue righteousness, faith, love, and peace, along with those who call on the Almighty out of the pure heart. That's Timothy 2:20-22. The world doesn't need supermen, but supernatural men. Men who will turn the self out of their lives and let the divine power work through them. We can let inspiration take the place of aspiration. We can seek to grow spiritually rather than to acquire fame and riches. Our chief ambition can be guided by the Almighty. The divine force is sufficient for all the spiritual work in the world. The Almighty needs the instrument for the divine use. Almighty's instrument can remake the world. What good will it be for a man if he gains the whole world, yet forfeit its soul? That is Matthew 16:26. Good morning. There are many supernatural men amongst us. Some wear the uniforms, the light workers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and the cleanup crews. And some look like you and me. Unsuspecting, we spread the love, faith, and good deed without expecting anything in return. Let's magnify their power by uniting our forces and adding to the living energy and good intention that is spread. Let's pray, meditate, and send out loving vibes to heal the world. Let's be kind and caring. The world needs us. The world needs every supernatural man at this critical time. Let me hand it the homily with the poem by Pat Humberger. Before I do, a few questions for you. What do you need to turn from? What do you need to pursue? Yes, meditate and think about this. Pray and meditate that we may be an instrument of the divine power. Pray and meditate that we may do our share in making the world. Through the fraternal year, our councils struggles with the adversity in its mission to serve our parish, our community, and our country. How these trials and tribulation brought us closer together and closer to the Almighty. Not only each loom is silent, and the shadows cease to fly. Will Almighty unroll the pattern and explain the reason why? The dark threads are useful in the weaver's skillful hands, as the threads of gold and silver form the patterns, the looms of time. This is my message for you today. Unite in prayers and action. Be the supernatural man. God bless you. And this is the first part of our service. Now we are entering into our prosperity portions of our first service. And remember, this is an online service. We miss you all at the church, but at the same time, remember, do your part. We need your help, and donate online. And you know, we thank you for those who are indeed send the envelopes to the church. And what you gave today will be multiplied to you. Okay, now we are entering into what you called meditation. And for our meditation today, we will be focused on this planet of ours. If you would, and as I'm about to turn around, you probably notice I'm getting closer to my PlayStation here. Okay, if you would, please sit comfortably on your chair, or if you are on the couch. And I want you to take a deep breath and exhale. One more deep breath, exhale. One more deep breath, exhale quickly. One more. Deep, and release it quickly. Now, see yourself in your private space. Maybe at the beach, in the ocean, yes, in a park, or Arizona, Airport Mesa, anywhere that you could find yourself comfortable. Pull a blanket or a bench, if you would. And I want you to see the thin white bright light coming from above, entering the center of your head, which is the crown chakra. And see this light as it penetrating. See yourself energizing, strengthening, and balancing. Now, create a mental image of a huge, flaming, six-pointed star consisting of two interlocking triangles of pyramid. This is the shield of the guardians of the apocalypse, which, when activated from highest dimensions of light, holds the entire planet under protection. Pyramids represent the inflow of light and love from the Creator's kingdom above. The upward thrusting triangle of pyramid symbolizes our human attempt to take ourselves off the course of space and time so that we may coexist with the brotherhood of light in the higher heavens. See that now. The shield is activated by the sounding of the names of its guardians. The downward thrusting triangle is carried toward us by the power contained in the sacred names of the great initiator, Melchizedek, the angels of presence, Metatron, and the angel who is both the builder and the protector of our part of the universe, Michael. And now, I want you to see this. As you begin to realize you are in this loving, sacred geometry, and we are going to recite each name 3 times, beginning now. Melchizedek, Melchizedek, Melchizedek. Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Mikaelu, Mikaelu, Mikaelu. Now the power of the upward thrusting triangle that take us off the course of space and times is activated by the sacred names of the Christ Messiah Trinity. We're going to recite each one 3 times now. Yeshua, Yeshua, Yeshua. Musha, Musha, Musha. Eliyahu, Eliyahu, Eliyahu. As we chant and sing and repeat once again the 6 great names of power, let's visualize the shield of the guardian vibrating with energy as it extends to enormous size and form a protective shield over the entire planet. And see that now. Now, begin to visualize soldiers of light descending from on high. 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1 million, 10 million soldiers of shining light and the joint forces with us to unfold the planet with light and love. The flow of energy now settles, and the great shield of the protection and healing is in place. Resonating of all time with the energy grid system of this planet. Now, I want you to go to a silence for a minute here, and we're going to repeat together 3 times. Shalom, Shalom, Shalom. Now, we come out of silence using the great words of peace again 6 times. Shalom, 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 shalom. And see the peace within you. Light, healing is taking place. And now, as you come out of this silence, hold the form of pyramid capstones of purple light at the 7th center, at the top of your head, and see the light now. Extend this purple light downward over the body, unfolding it in protective energy. This purple pyramid of protection can be renewed by an act of will at any time. And see yourself shielded and protected. And we're going to repeat the great sounds and name Shalom 4 times. Shalom, 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 and shalom, which is mean peace, 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 and peace. See peace, love, light, healing has been taking place. And now, I want you to begin to take a deep breath as you are in this beautiful shield and protected pyramid. Take it one deep breath. Feel your toes, your fingertips. Another deep breath. One more. And exhale quickly. And when you're ready, open your eyes. And thanks again. Have a good Sunday. Blessing to you all.